cherry, with its bright red color and distinctive sweet-sour taste, has always been one of the most beloved fruits globally. If you have ever tasted fresh cherries, you will easily recognize that American cherries, especially from the western and northwestern states, stand out not only for their flavor but also as one of the world's leading agricultural products. These regions, with their ideal climate and fertile soil, have become the perfect places to grow cherries, turning them into the birthplace of the world's largest cherry production. The United States is currently the leading country in cherry production, with an estimated growing area of about 37,000 hectares and an annual output ranging from 300,000 to 400,000 tons. This not only highlights the importance of this agricultural industry to the economy, it also reflects the quality and reputation of American cherries in the global market. To successfully grow cherries, soil and climate are crucial factors. The soil must be loose, well-drained, and free from waterlogging to allow the roots to develop properly. The pH level of the soil should range from 6 pH for optimal plant growth. Moreover, climate plays an essential role in cherry cultivation. Cherry trees require a cold winter with between 700 and 1,200 hours of temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius to stimulate growth in the spring. This seasonal change helps the trees develop vigorously and produce large, juicy cherries in the summer. The best time to plant cherry trees is either in the fall or early spring when temperatures are mild, and the soil has enough moisture to help the tree establish roots. Experts recommend keeping a distance of 4 to 6 meters between each tree, depending on the variety, to ensure enough space for both height and width growth and maintain airflow between trees. Once planted, watering immediately is crucial to provide moisture to the soil and help the tree adapt to its new environment quickly. However, to achieve high yields and maintain fruit quality, American cherry growers have not only relied on traditional farming methods but also incorporated advanced technology into the cultivation process. Specialized cherry planting machines, equipped with GPS technology, assist farmers in accurately determining planting locations, optimizing tree distribution, and utilizing land efficiently. These machines can work quickly, drilling dozens of holes per minute, saving significant time and labor compared to traditional manual methods. This not only reduces the labor burden, but also increases production and cherry quality. The integration of technology in cherry farming in the United States not only enhances production efficiency, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. These methods help conserve water and use land more effectively, meaning American cherries are not only of superior quality, but also environmentally friendly. Thanks to the perfect combination of tradition and innovation, the United States has not only maintained its leadership position in cherry production, but also affirmed the value of its cherries in the global market. If you ever have the opportunity to visit cherry orchards in the United States, you will undoubtedly be captivated by the beauty of the cherry trees laden with fruit, shining under the sunlight. These cherries are not only the result of hard work but also a testament to the remarkable development of modern agriculture in the US, contributing to providing high-quality products to consumers worldwide. To ensure successful cherry tree growth, it's crucial to avoid waterlogging, as excessive moisture can damage the roots. Once the tree matures, it's important to gradually reduce watering, only adding water during dry periods or when the weather is hot and sunny. Proper watering at the right stages will help the tree maintain healthy growth while preventing root damage. Fertilizing the cherry trees at the appropriate stages is another vital aspect of care, contributing significantly to the tree's overall health and fruit yield. In the early stages of growth, when the tree is forming and developing its basic framework, it's essential to use fertilizers rich in nitrogen. Nitrogen plays a crucial role, as it helps the leaves remain green and promotes the strong growth of the trunk and branches. This, in turn, establishes a solid structure for the tree, which is necessary to support the future fruit clusters. Pruning is also an important step to ensure the tree grows in a balanced, healthy, and productive manner. The ideal time for pruning is in late winter or early spring, when the tree is still dormant, but before budding begins. Pruning during this time reduces the risk of damaging the tree and encourages the growth of new shoots, which will contribute to a more robust and fruitful cherry tree in the future. In addition to the proper care and watering, it is also necessary to manage the fruit load on the tree. This ensures that the tree can withstand the weight of the fruit and continue to grow healthily. Proper management helps prevent the branches from breaking or becoming overly stressed, which can negatively impact the tree's growth and the quality of the fruit. Cherries typically take about 45 to 90 days to ripen, from the time the young fruits begin to turn red, depending on the variety and the weather conditions. During this time, the cherries undergo a growth phase, transitioning from green to yellow, then pink, and finally to bright red, signaling the ideal time for harvesting. Have you ever picked fresh cherries right from the garden? The sweet taste and the joy of touching the ripe cherries is an unforgettable experience. The process of harvesting cherries is a critical step that requires skill and care to preserve the best quality of the fruit. Harvesters usually pick each fruit gently by hand, ensuring the stem remains intact to extend storage time and maintain the cherry's natural freshness. This method not only makes the cherries more visually appealing, but also increases their ability to withstand transportation to distant markets. When it comes to harvesting cherries in large fields, the use of a cherry harvester is the most effective solution. These machines are specifically designed to streamline the harvesting process by reducing labor requirements while significantly increasing productivity. With the ability to handle between 10 to 20 tons of cherries per hour, a cherry harvester can process large volumes of fruit in a short period of time, making it an invaluable tool for large-scale cherry farms. Key dimensions of a cherry harvester vary, typically ranging from 16.4 to 26.2 feet in length and 6.56 to 9.8 feet in width, with a weight of 5 to 10 tons. These large machines are equipped with powerful shaking systems that efficiently shake the cherries off the trees without causing any damage to the branches or leaves. This ensures that the trees remain unharmed and can continue to produce fruit in subsequent seasons. In addition to the shaking system, a high-speed conveyor is incorporated into the harvester to ensure fast and safe transfer of the harvested cherries. The conveyor system is designed to move the fruit quickly while minimizing the risk of bruising or damage, which is essential to maintaining the quality of the cherries. After the cherries are carefully washed, they are placed in a drying system that dries the surface of the fruit. This is a critical step to prevent the cherries from being too wet, as moisture can lead to potential damage during transportation and storage. Excess moisture can cause the fruit to spoil or degrade in quality, so drying is essential to maintain the cherry's integrity and ensure they remain in the best condition for longer periods. Once the cherries have been dry, they move to the next stage, where they undergo a thorough inspection and classification. This is where modern machines equipped with advanced sensor technology come into play. These systems use automated processes to sort the cherries based on a variety of factors, such as color, gloss, size, and the external condition of the fruit. This grading process is extremely important because it ensures that only the highest quality cherries are selected for sale, while any that do not meet the necessary standards are removed. The cherries that meet the criteria are then moved to the packaging or canning stage, where they are handled with great care to preserve their freshness. This process is conducted in a controlled environment, which is not only clean, but also temperature regulated to protect the fruit from external factors, such as contamination or temperature changes, that might negatively affect the cherries. The cherries are carefully placed into specialized packaging that is designed to prevent crushing or impact during transportation, ensuring they reach their destination in perfect condition. The packaging is also designed to extend the shelf life of the cherries, keeping them fresh for as long as possible, while in transit or during storage. Thanks to advanced packaging technology and automated processes, each crate or box of cherries is prepared to meet the highest standards. These cherries are ready for distribution, either for export to international markets or to be placed on store shelves for consumers to purchase. For cherries that do not meet the standard for fresh consumption or export, they are diverted into the processing line, where they will be used to make cherry juice, a popular product that brings value to the agricultural industry. The juice-making process starts with washing the cherries to remove any remaining dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, the cherries are placed into blenders or presses to extract the juice. After the juice is extracted, it is carefully filtered to remove seeds and pulp, leaving behind a smooth, high-quality product. This ensures that the final juice maintains a pure and delicious flavor, free from unwanted texture or bitterness. The cherry juice then undergoes a heating process to eliminate bacteria, which is crucial for food safety and to increase the juice's shelf life. In many cases, modern sterilization technologies are employed to ensure that the juice is safe for consumption and can be stored for extended periods without spoilage. Once the juice has been sterilized and cooled, it is bottled or canned in a hygienic, controlled environment. The final product is then ready for distribution to the market, where it can be enjoyed by consumers around the world. This efficient processing system not only maximizes the use of cherries, but also enhances the value of agricultural products by providing a wide range of cherry-based items, from fresh cherries to processed products like juices. Beyond being a tasty treat, cherries are highly nutritious, packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and manganese, all of which contribute to improved health. Additionally, cherries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Cherries are also widely used in cooking and food preparation, with their sweet and slightly tart flavor enhancing the taste of a variety of dishes. They are commonly found in desserts like pies, cakes, and tarts, and they can also be used in savory dishes such as salads, sauces, or even as a topping for meats. Cherries are also a popular ingredient in beverages like juices, cocktails, syrups, and jams. Their versatile taste makes them a favorite in both sweet and savory dishes, offering unique culinary experiences for people of all tastes. The journey from orchard to market is a fascinating one. From the meticulous care that goes into growing and harvesting the cherries, to the advanced technologies used in processing and packaging, every step of the process is designed to ensure that the cherries reach consumers in the best possible condition. It's amazing to see how much innovation has been applied to the farming and processing of cherries, which has allowed these delicious fruits to be enjoyed by people worldwide. If you found the journey of cherry production interesting, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the process behind one of the world's favorite fruits. See you next time.